Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Binance Passkey. So if you have forgotten or you are unable to use your passkey for Binance, it might get annoying because you won't be able to access your account. So for us to reset our passkey, we need to first access Binance.com or the mobile application itself. So in this case, we will be showing you the way via your PC here. So first thing first, open up the website which is Binance.com, and from here you should see an option that says log in at the top right of your screen. So go ahead and click on it. And in this page you have to enter your email. Now in the next page it's going to ask you to enter the password. So if you forgotten your password as well, just hit the option that says forgot password. Now from here it's going to give you some notifications about resetting your password here for your access. So some of the withdrawals and the P2P selling payment services and Binance cards applications will be disabled for 24 hours just to keep your account safe, because we all know you might have a lot of assets in your account. That's why they want to protect your account. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on continue. Now it's going to send a verification code to your email address. So go ahead and enter the verification code. Now in the next page, it's going to ask you to reset your password. So in this case, it's just enter new password here and the confirmation of your new password, and from there hit on confirm, and from there you are now ready to access your account in Binance. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.